Hold up. Yeah.
Hey, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Involved Panda, and today I just wanted to show you my new cars that I got out of this crew game, and it's a really good crew game. Y'all should really get it. I don't know why I called it crew game. It's called The Crew. But yeah, it is a legit fun game, and y'all should come out and play with me on Xbox One. I'm on sometimes of the day, but I just wanted to show y'all this new car, Bugatti, that I got. It's 100 times legit, but yeah, so it's just awesome, guys. And I don't know how to explain this car. It's fast. Like, if you look down there at my speedometer, whatever y'all want to call it, and if I go straight, it goes up fast. Now some of y'all are probably saying the Lamborghini's faster, but at this point I don't think so. I think the Bugatti's faster. So yeah, I just wanted to put this video out. Oh yeah, I got some new dirt cars, because when you get to level 10 on the crew, it gets the dirt tuners. So yeah, the dirt tuner. Yeah, unlock the dirt tuner, and this is what a dirt car looks like. But sorry, I just lost what I was gonna say. But anyway, this truck, this is one of the best trucks. I accidentally bought this yesterday, but it wasn't on an accident. This truck is awesome. Nothing really else to say. Just that these cars are awesome. And that I wish y'all had the crew so y'all could come out and play with me. On the crew, I know a place where there's a racing spot. It's kind of by Miami, but it's like a racing track. But I might do a video on where it's at and all that. Y'all should legit come see what it's like. It's free on Xbox One, free with gold. But so yeah, pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe to become a panda. Become part of the Panda Army. Smash that like button in the face. Comment the heck out of that comment section. And this has been your boy, Involved Panda, signing out.